Hey Investy Besties, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm not going to be showing myself because, I look a hot mess and I'm recovering and I'm doing much, much better. So I wanted to start off by saying thank you, thank you, thank you to everyone who sent comments, who sent me emails, DMs over on Instagram. Thank you so much for just showing that, you're looking out for your Investy Bestie. And I really do appreciate all of you guys for the love, the support, the care, because you know what? We are truly a tribe over here. And so thank you so much for just all the love and well wishes and prayers and just kind words. I really, really do appreciate all of you. Okay. And at first I was just going to put the winners over in my community tab, but then I was like, you know what? Let me make a little video. It won't be no longer than 5 minutes, just so that you guys can see. I really do appreciate all of you who supported my shop, my business, for coming back every time I post a video, because let me tell y'all, it is hard out here trying to put out investing videos as a woman of color, and you guys just keep coming back, showing support, so eager to learn. And you guys are just holding me up. And I really, really wanted to just send a special thank you to all of you. Okay. I really, really do appreciate you. Everybody who's been shouting out my channel, thank you so much. Who's been doing the challenges and sharing it on your platform, sharing it with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much. We are really creating a movement over here. Okay. And so that's why I decided to do this giveaway, to show you guys and to thank you guys for all of the support, because it truly means a whole lot to me. Now, remember guys, I said that in my Halloween video, which will be posted somewhere on the screen, that the people who will be entered into this giveaway are those who bought the October $1 a day investment challenge. So if you did that, your names will automatically entered in, and it's going to be 3 winners, and each of those winners are going to win $31. So yes, I'm matching what you invested for October, because I want to pour into you and pour into your journey. So you will either get $31 through Venmo, or if you want an Amazon e-gift card, because you know the holidays are coming, I can send you a $31 Amazon e-gift card as well. So I'm going to take you over to the spin wheel, and we're going to select our winner. All right, guys, so I am here at wheelofnames.com, and I'm going to come down some so that you all can see. And I have everybody's names listed here, so we're going to pick 3 winners. So let's get this party started. Clicking, let's see who's going to be the first winner. Come on, give me a winner, winner, winner. Okay, and Johanna, she is our first winner. Congratulations, sis. Okay, I'm going to remove her name, and we're going to click for our second winner. Who's it going to be? Okay, Jocelyn Mann. So there were 2 Jocelyn. So that's why I put a little bit of their last name. So Jocelyn Mann, you know the rest of your last name, sis. Send me an email, okay? And I'm going to get you your prize. Congratulations, sis. We're going to remove her name, and we have our last winner. Last winner for the giveaway. Who is it going to be? All right, it looks like it is Susan. Congratulations, Susan, on winning the giveaway. Send me an email, guys. I will have my email on the screen so that you can see it. It's also down in the description box below. But again, guys, thank you to everyone who supported my channel. Thank you for all of you who are joining the November Investing Challenge. I got some good videos coming up on Sunday and Wednesday, very educational. And we're going to be digging deep into this investing and wealth building content, because I don't want to just get to financial freedom. I don't want to be the only millionaire that I know. Y'all are going to be millionaires too. I am naming it and I am claiming it. And we're going to build wealth and change the face of wealth together. That is why I show real numbers. That is why I show all of my accounts, to show you guys what is possible with the right knowledge and by being educated. In your Investy Bestie, I got y'all, okay? So I will see y'all on Sunday for that video. Again, thank you everybody who supported me and who was entered into the giveaway. I'm sending major, major hugs to all of you. Hope you have a good weekend, and I will see y'all Sunday, okay? Bye-bye.